Are you a Las Vegas-based business owner? Here's how to get into 10,000 plus homes without spending a ton of money on ads. So I started Vegas Local Spotlight for two different reasons. One being that I was tired of overpaying for direct mail costs for my own business. And two was I realized that everyone else probably feels the same way. All right, so here's what we do. We take an oversized 9x12 postcard and we put your business's ad on it. We don't allow for competing businesses, so that means one lawn care service, one chiropractor, one real estate agent, one coffee shop, that kind of thing. We all split the space, so we all split the costs. It works for just about everyone, including the local shade store, to the nearby yoga and photography studios, to the local gym with the 5 a.m. warriors, to the nearby doggy daycare spot, to the real estate agent who needs to stay top of mind. She's the best. This card is big, it stands out, it's really hard to miss. I've seen a lot of people pin it to a cork board in either their kitchen or their laundry room, or they'll just stick it on their fridge just like this for whenever they need something. You truly can't miss this postcard. It turns your mail into a big old taco. So every single month, we're going to be hitting a different high density area within the Las Vegas Valley. So one month might be Henderson, one month might be Summerlin, the next might be Spring Valley. So make sure you're checking the website as far as which area we're going to be hitting in that particular month and if that's congruent with your services. But the guarantee is that this will go to 10,000 plus homes every single month. This isn't just about advertising, this is about locals supporting locals. If that's something you want to be a part of, be sure to grab your category before someone else does. And once you book, you get to go on my slide right here.